I'm starting now.
Okay.
You can.
I'm here looking at Akiva's work called Extra Giant Doggie. And it really takes you some time to figure out what it's about because the writing is backwards.
Right.
And so the only thing I saw when I saw was down here, I was like, well, wait a minute, it's a dog-eat-dog world, but those aren't dogs.
They're dogfish.
It says gefilte's heavy matzah bowls in Puget Sound.
Okay, so we're trying to integrate Jewish presence into Puget
And
Sound.
I like to say there's at least one lutefisk in there too.
Okay, but I don't know, the buildings seem to be falling, the Smith Tower's
That's
exploding.
because his ear is hitting it.
That's all
That's
it
good. You
takes.
recognize the Smith Tower. You're
But-
the first one to recognize it.
Oh, no, I
Okay.
recognized it.
And we've got a seaplane.
Yeah.
I would say it really combines some giant creatures with Seattle and might represents, unfortunately, how our city has changed.
That's very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
This
We've
looks
got
familiar,
the
too.
monorail too and the Space Needle.
Yeah, there's the...
Oh, I didn't see this.
This looks familiar, like the ferry terminal or something.
Yeah.
Is that what it is? Oh, and this is the Columbia building knocked over. It used to be the Columbia Seafirst Tower, remember? But Seafirst is long gone. Martin Selig did it. Selig built it. Apparently it's Selig, not Selig.
Very good. Thank you, Janet. Thank you, David.
You're welcome.